Okay, hot day today. Anyway, Recon 2 has the soft top installed on it. Home run for sure. Dan told me about this wonderful cover right here when the soft top is down. It's made by shadeidea.com. Thing goes on in seconds. Very user-friendly, love it. Problem was, I needed something to cover up this Jeep now. Spends most of its life in the garage, but you get out on the trail, I need some protection. So I bought a Bestop tonneau cover for it. It's by Pavement Ends, but it's made by Bestop. Good quality, went on pretty easy, especially in the heat today. You do need to have a tailgate bar with it. I happen to have an extra, and obviously you need the clamps for the tailgate bar. So that's nice, covers up the compressor, covers up the inverter. We get some rains. Then the other thing that I bought by Bestop was this bikini top. So I had to buy the header channel. Header channel was $100. Okay, you can see the black channel there. You bolt these brackets in, and then you got these knurled knobs right here with a bolt and a bracket that clamps on the footman loop. And the thing just snaps across, lays in there. The trick is you got to push this way into the gasket to get the bolt to go all the way through and clamp it down. A little bit of a pain in the neck, but she's tight. And then this snaps underneath it all the way across the top of the windshield. The next thing it has you do is at the B-pillar, you can see it's braided here with two webs. It just wraps around the B-pillar to a strap, and you cinch that tight. You do that. Then it has you back up to this section right here. This is like a 3-fingered Velcro strap, and you just wrap it nice and tight on the roll cage. So what I like about this top is you'll notice no door surrounds. Door surrounds are like $400 now. And I didn't want to be playing the games of taking the door surrounds off of this Jeep, back and forth, big pain in the ass. So this works quite nicely without door surrounds. This top, the header channel, and the tonneau cover came to about $350. Here's a look at the inside. Very nice and tight. Especially in the heat today, I was able to stretch this thing really good. So after you do the roll cage section, first the B-pillar, then the roll cage section in the front. Then the kit comes with these long straps right here with a hook. You just hook it on the tub, run it up through this, which is stitched onto it, cinch it down on both sides. I was really happy that my chaser light just fit underneath it perfectly, so that was a home run. So once again, you've got this strap sewn onto the tail ends of the top. And then inside here, you can see that's where the strap starts, and it gives you a couple bolts. You just bolt it in where the pivot, that's the pivot bracket for the soft top. Obviously I removed it and put it on Recon 2. So basically that bolt goes through there, then you just take a razor knife. So it runs underneath here, and I just cut a little 1-inch slot. The strap comes out, goes through it, cinch it down. Very tight. So obviously it's not going to be 100% waterproof, but it's definitely going to give me some protection in the rain. So I thought it was really good. Out on the trail it can come off easily enough, or I can just wheel with this. And the other thing I did is I took the spider shade that used to be on this, and that spider shade now is on Recon 2 over there. So that's it.